Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install WordPress on localhost Xampp. So let's see guys how to install it. First you need to download Xampp. Type Xampp download, enter. From the first link you can download your Xampp file. If you are using Windows operating system, this link is for Windows operating system. Click here to download your Xampp. My download file has started. And the second thing you need to do is type wordpress.org. There are two websites of WordPress. One is wordpress.org and second is wordpress.com. In wordpress.com you create your online websites, and in wordpress.org you create your website on your local host. So I am here to download WordPress file for my local host. Click here. Now download it from here. Your download is now we need to install Xampp first. Double click on it. Yes. Okay. Next. 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 Wait for few minutes. Finish it. All you need to do is start Apache server and SQL server. Minimize it. This is your WordPress file. Copy this. Ctrl+C and paste it in C file, Xampp file, where you install your Xampp. Inside Xampp file, go to htdocs file. Here, create a new folder. My file. Enter, open it, paste it here. Now extract your WordPress file here. Yes. After extraction, go inside this folder. Again, cut all these files. Go back and paste it here. Take all the files out from this folder. Now delete this WordPress. Go back. In WordPress folder you have all these PHP files. Where you have to paste it, go to local disk C, go to Xampp file. Inside Xampp file go to htdocs. In htdocs create a new file. Whatever you give name to it. Paste WordPress here and extract all the file inside it. Now go to your web browser and type localhost. Inside localhost go to phpMyAdmin. This is your main database page where you can create your database. Click on a new, give a name, that name that you have given to your folder. My file. As you can see here, inside Xampp folder htdocs, I created my file. Give this name, copy this, Ctrl+C, copy, paste it here. To ignore mistakes, create it. Now your database is created. Now you can access your WordPress files by typing localhost / that folder name you have copied. Ctrl+V, paste it here, enter. This is your WordPress file. You can access it from here, WordPress. Now your installation process has been started. Click on continue. Let's go. Database name is your folder name. Ctrl+V, as I copied before. Your username is always root. Leave the password empty and the other two as the same. Submit. As you can see, your installation page is open. Click on the run and run the installation. It will ask you your site name, my site, my project, as whatever you want to give it, your password, admin username, confirm password, your email, install WordPress. It is asking you admin login. Now this is your main WordPress dashboard where you can create your website. In next video I will show you about the different parts of the WordPress. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload a new video.